5 patients have recovered from a rare type of Ebola virus. The head of the World Health Organization said Sunday during a visit to Bunia in eastern Congo. The World Health Organization also reported that a patient had recovered from the Bunia virus, which is the current species of Ebola, and for which there is no approved treatment or vaccine. Overall, health authorities have reported 134 confirmed cases across Congo and neighboring Uganda, with 18 confirmed deaths as of May 29. During his visit, the WHO Director General noted that the uncertainty surrounding the illness was overwhelming for patients. Even though testing eventually confirmed Ebola, Doctors Without Borders, or MSF, stated that the virus continues to spread faster than the response, citing issues like lack of supplies, distrust, and insecurity. The next official update will come from the health organization regarding the ongoing efforts to manage the outbreak in Congo and Uganda. The carcass of a humpback whale, which had been stranded in the Baltic Sea, was dragged onto a Danish beach on Saturday after languishing in shallow waters for 2 weeks. The whale was first found dead on May 14, off the small island of Anholt in the Kattegat, the strait connecting the Baltic Sea to the North Sea. This followed a rescue effort that culminated on May 2, when the animal was moved toward the North Sea in a barge in an attempt to guide it back to the Atlantic Ocean. The carcass's journey and the whale's death captured attention in Germany for months. Danish news outlets reported live streams of the body being pulled onto the shoreline by a cable attached to a truck. According to the Danish Environmental Protection Agency, the carcass will be examined next week to determine the cause of death. The investigation will focus on determining the cause of death for the humpback whale found in the Baltic Sea. A federal judge has ordered the removal of President Donald Trump's name from the title of the Kennedy Center for the Performing Arts. The ruling also stated that the Washington, D.C. venue cannot be renamed without approval from Congress. The judge's order requires that Trump's name be taken off the institution's title, its facade, and all official materials, including physical and digital signage, within the next 14 days. The ruling also blocked the center's temporary closure that was planned during upcoming proposed renovations. A spokesperson for the center confirmed that the institution plans to appeal the name change order. The judge's decision established that the venue cannot be renamed without congressional approval. A rocket built by Blue Origin exploded on its launch pad in Florida during a test. The space technology company was founded in the year 2000 by Amazon billionaire Jeff Bezos. Following the explosion, officials from the U.S. Space Force stated that emergency responders were at the scene, and officials began working with Blue Origin to evaluate available data to determine the exact cause of the anomaly. The Federal Aviation Administration, or FAA, said in a statement that it was aware of the incident, noting that the test was not within the scope of FAA-licensed activities, and that there was no impact to air traffic. Jeff Bezos stated that it was too early to know the root cause. However, that the company was already working to find it. The U.S. Space Force confirmed that officials are working with Blue Origin to evaluate the data to determine the exact cause of the anomaly.